Ready? Start. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman proposed legislative support to financing for leasing aircraft and ships in India in a bid to protect airlines from foreign exchange risks. We will seek the required legislative approval for providing an efficient and flexible mode for financing leasing of aircraft and ships. The minister said in her budget speech. She said legislative backing of pooled funds of private equity through a variable company structure would also be explored. The Variable Capital Company within bracket VCC is a new corporate structure in Singapore that was introduced in January 2020 and tailored to address the unique needs of funds. It is considered a game changer in the world of Singapore corporate finance. A VCC can be formed as a single stand-alone fund or as an umbrella fund with two or more sub-funds, each holding different assets. The uncertainty surrounding the level of future exchanges rates gives rise to future exchange risks for airlines. Their main foreign currency exposure is often to the US dollar because key cost items, notably fuel, maintenance, and overhaul costs, along with aircraft purchase and lease payments, are typically priced in US dollars. Though the government has tried to promote leasing at Gujarat's Gift City through tax incentives and regulatory relaxations, most aircraft lease transactions are financial leases. Lessee exercises right to retain ownership of aircraft and not operating leases. Lessor retains ownership as there is little impetus for a vast majority of lessors well established in Ireland to set up a unit in Gift City. Moreover, while Gift City aims to attract foreign lessors, experts say there is a need to create an indigenous ecosystem for aircraft leasing. The finance minister offered partial relief to the maintenance, repair, and overhaul within bracket MRO sector by allowing entities a period of 1 year instead of the previous 6 months cap to stock imported goods such as spares and test equipment before exporting them. The MRO industry, though, says there is a need to remove the cap. Additionally, MROs will be available to offer a warranty of 5 years instead of 3 to their customers overseas, as the minister has proposed to extend the time limit